Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from a third-party company which is Mr. Model, and this is none other than the Gundam ASTRAY blue frame. Yep, master grade or 1/100 kit. And so this is the box of the Mr. Model. And at first, my mom received it from Shopee Rider, and she asked me, "What's this thing all about again?" Because she's mad at me because I'm always buying Gunpla. But when I opened the box and she saw this box, I told her that this is a shoe. This is a pair of shoe, and then I exchanged the contents of this box into my Class A Onitsuka Tiger shoe. This one, I placed this pair inside of this box, and I removed the contents and transferred it to this Class A box of Onitsuka Tiger. So I was laughing because my mom thought that this is a pair of shoe. So by the way, thank you very much from my cousin, or my wife's cousin, Michael Hernane, for sponsoring this Onitsuka Class A. Yes, this Onitsuka Tiger Class A shoe, and it's very nice. I didn't wear this yet because I want to wear this on Christmas. It is very nice. See the design on Onitsuka Tiger, and there's this Mexico design there. And by the way, this is not a shoe review. This is a Gundam review. I just pranked my mom that the content of this box is a shoe, a pair of shoe. But this is a Gundam, which looks like a shoebox, placed in a shoebox from Mr. Model. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. The box is really really simple. I like the presentation of this box. It's really simple. I like the V. At first I thought this is a Voltus 5 box, but no. It's a design for Mr. Model, and this M here looks like an echocardiogram graph. It's like an ECG reading here, but it says Mr. Model. And see, the pair of shoes can fit inside, as you can see. That's why my mom really gets pranked by this box. So there, I can put the whole shoe or the pair of shoe inside the box. Okay. So okay, if we open the box here, we can see the model kit. Yes, instruction manual. The instruction manual is really straightforward. We can see here the logo Mr. Model without the picture of the Gundam ASTRAY blue frame. Excuse me. So there we can see immediately the parts list here, and how we can build the kit. So this is really straight build, straightforward, I mean. So as I can assess the assembling pattern of this kit, this is a simple kit. This is not so complicated, unlike the ASTRAY red frame from Bandai, which I built 7 months ago. And let's check the box content. So the box content contains of this action-based stand, which is very simple. There are screws and nuts there, and it's color black. Then we got this Decals here. I think this is a water slide. I don't know. This is yes, this is a water slide decals, which is very nice. I like the design pattern of this, but unfortunately, I don't like applying water slide decals because it's very tedious to me to do so. Then we got this gray parts here for I think this one for the armor or the inner frame parts. Then we got some white parts there and this silver coated katana blade or the Gerber straight. And we got this bronze colored design for the hilts of the katana. Then we got this blue packages here. So this is second package, and the third pack is they're blue and white colored parts. And finally we got this beam saber effect parts there, black parts, clear pieces for, I think this one for the face, and blue parts for armor pieces. And then again, let's try fitting the shoes here. Okay, we can fit the pair of shoe inside, and so this is the Mr. Model Tiger or the Mr. Onitsuka Tiger box. See, it fits. It's a shoe box. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And judging, by the way, judging the plastic quality, the plastic is hard enough. This is a hard ABS type of plastic. It's not that brittle like the Daban or the Bandai releases. So in Tagalog, medyo makunat siya. Makunat yung plastic niya at maganda ito for beginners. So this is runner D here for the blue runner. And we got the runner for manipulators. So there I can see a good set of manipulators here, but unfortunately I don't like using this because I don't like this kind of hands. I will use the Dalin decal hands, by the way. So this is what I'm talking about, the Dalin decal hands for this Astray blue frame 1/100 scale. So I will not use this because I much prefer the articulated hands like this. So this is a 1/100 scale. Okay, so I'll set this aside. Then we got here gray parts. This is runner P. So there's this gun handle there, and for, I think this one for the weapon sets. Then we got this black parts, runner T here, runner T. Then we got white parts again, runner O for the armor pieces. We got blue parts again, runner H. Another blue parts, runner G. White parts, runner N for the white armor pieces. Then there's this blue parts again, runner H. Then I wonder what's this broken piece here. So let me just keep this. Maybe it's for other part that I may glue on. And we got this katana here, or the katana blade, which is sprayed, silver sprayed or silver paint sprayed. So it's very nice. I much prefer the chrome one, but this one is also good. Okay, Then we got this Runner J here, copper colored design for the hilts of the sword and the scabbard part. Then we got this white parts again for the hand, so I will not be using these parts here. Then we got the scabbard parts and the shield parts. Then we got this gray parts here, Runner S. By the way, this one is Runner M and Runner L, so this is jointed together, M and L. Yep. Then we got Runner R and Runner S for the gray parts, so they are joined together by this mold here. Then we got black parts here for the shield parts and the sword handle. So the sword handle is really huge, so it's big. I wonder if the hand can grip it, hopefully. And this is Runner Q here. Then we got blue parts here, Runner A, and another blue parts, Runner A again, Runner C, and Runner B. So these are 3 sets of runners, so be careful when labeling this. These are connected with this pegs there, okay, molten pegs. And finally we got this clear parts here, Runner V, and this beam saber effect parts, which is very nice. I like the quality or the texture of this beam saber. It's a bit matted and smooth. So this is Runner F. And finally, before we forget, we have this decals and action-based stand. So thank you very much for watching this unbox review of Mr. Model 1/100 scale Gundam ASTRAY blue frame, and see you next time on the review of this video. So by the way, this is a Gundam ASTRAY metal build copy, also plastic model kit copy for the metal build. Okay, see you next time. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless. Take care. Masalama. Auf Wiedersehen.